how to change the font size of text in your WPS Office document. So for my example, I changed the font size of this Richard Kabili blog. So first things you can do is select the text you want to change. So for my example, I select Richard Kabili, and after you select, you can see the pop-up. But also you can change on this top menu. Okay, the fonts is set into Algerian and the size is 72 font size. And to change this, okay, you'll have to do is click the arrow down and select the number or size of fonts. So for my example, I set into 48, and that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the font size on WPS Office document. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.